you so much for those kind words. A galaxy of past history governors and dignitaries, President Framrose and Zarina, hi, IPP Preeti and spouse Gautam, from this club PDG and trustee Gulamji, 91 past presidents and of course of this club, the pillars of course, AKS Mrs. Rajashri Birla, Sri Ratan Tata, Mr. Ajay Piramal, Mr. Amit Chandra, Mr. Manoj Israni, Mr. Arvind and Rashmi Jolly, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Podar, Mr. Dilip Piramal, Mr. Jetu Lalwani, Mr. Ashok Mahansaria, Mr. Neerav and Devina Shah, DGE Rajendra Agarwal, and of course, future leader from this club, Sandeep Agarwala and spouse Malini, who from your club is leading the Panch Tattva project, Holistic Village Development. My core team and district team members, my presidential batchmate Ashish Vaid, staff members of this admin office of your club led by Iruk, board of directors, trustees, children of the first family, fellow friends, brothers and sisters in Rotary Club of Bombay. Some of who I have stayed together with in the same building, some in school together, some played together, and some worked together. Good to be amongst all. IPP Preeti, commendable work by you this year and accolades to you, but paucity of time prevents me from dwelling deeper. But maybe let's meet over a cup of coffee with you and Gautam's humor and his foodie passion. President Framrose, or as he is affectionately called Fali, the silent mover and shaker, says a few words, has a lengthy meaning, not in his colloquial language, but composed always. Great to be traversing our journey in this Rotary year together. When you address this club, you actually address an institution. The first club in our city, 92 long years, and about to create history in the first year, listen to this, about to create history in the first year of the second century of Rotary in India. This year, when Rotary opens opportunities. As I take you into a journey of the plans and projects in the forthcoming year, let me play for you a short video of the projects of the year. Can I have the video, please? Many call this current scenario as a disaster. But from the perspective of Rotary and its DNA of service to the community, I call this an opportunity. As it is said, disasters love charity, and conversely too. It was so profound that our Rotary International leader, Holger Kanak, in January 2020, declared the theme as Rotary Opens Opportunities. Little did we realize that we would have the opportunity to serve so intensely those who are affected. And we never dreamt of how extensively we can satisfy the hope of those we can impact. For it is now, this opportune moment, when the Rotary fraternity can serve the needs of those affected, as the need to do more work is now. So can we impact those without jobs by outsourcing excess production of our companies through the vertical of self-help groups? Yes, we can. Can we save 1,000 children from dying every year from malnutrition by a contribution of just rupees 5,000 per child with protein-based food packets? Yes, we can. Can we attack the problem of those that are hungry by feeding them meals at rupees 15 per meal through our Annapurna project? Yes, of course we can. Can we assist all those beyond our personal domestic staff and drivers who need small, meager amounts to meet their educational and medical needs? With a meager contribution of just rupees 3,000 per month through our Rotary Angels vertical? Yes, we can. God's very own children who have disability challenges, can we not give them a life of dignity, develop talent and opportunities for gainful employment through our 3 different verticals? Of course we can. Have you heard the silent, joyous scream of a child because in spite of being on the wheelchair, he could use the merry-go-round for the first time after 28 years through disabled-friendly play equipment? Yes, we can help. One lesson of this current scenario is, of course, how the environment has improved. We need to sustain that. But can we beautify the underbelly of flyovers with our city's cultural and heritage background? Yes, we can. Sometimes we wrangle our heads and ask, what do I do with all this unused stuff that I have at home or then office? Or then the garments, the e-waste and broken toys of my grandkids? Is it possible I contribute to the Rotary Foundation by giving these products pro bono to the Givers Gain vertical? Yes, you can. A mature 300++ club with leaders at district and world level needs to now, if not internally, try and grow externally. Can you ensure each spoke of the Rotary wheel is put in motion to increase membership by adding new clubs, or then even new corporate-based clubs with your history? Of course you can. The Rotary Foundation this year has gone through some turbulence because they have traveled that extra mile during the pandemic and supported world over. Thus, they've had to revisit their grant structure. We in India have been fortunate to get their support and execute projects of far and wide sizes and dimensions. It's now our responsibility to ensure we augment our very own foundation so that in future, the foundation never goes through this situation. I know you too will change your canter to a gallop and dig deeper into your philanthropic hearts to support. And when I address the Rotary Club of Bombay, who better than to say, yes, we can. Fellow Rotarians, it's now time to accept the new normal. It's time to remain safe and healthy, but it's also time to now radiate and manifest only positive energy. One way to do that is let's only talk about the things we can do. Pali, as always, few words for you. A nice person will always remain in the memory. A better person will always be in the dream. But you, my dear, a sincere person will always remain in the heart. And before I end, together we will, together we shall make our vision come real. District 3141 and the core team wish you a visionary, impactful, and powerful year 2020-21. Thank you.